In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get products in WooCommerce. Managing products in your online store is essential for keeping your business up to date and organized, so let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin panel. This is where you can manage all aspects of your website, including your WooCommerce store. To do this, navigate to your browser and type in your website's URL, followed by a / and WP admin. For example, if your website is yourwebsite.com, you'll enter yourwebsite.com/WP admin. Enter your login credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged in, the next step is to head over to the Products section. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a sidebar with various options. Hover over the Products tab and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on All Products to bring up a comprehensive list of all the products you've added to your WooCommerce store. This overview gives you a quick snapshot of everything you're offering right now. Now, if you're looking for a specific product, there's no need to scroll indefinitely through your product list. WooCommerce provides a handy search bar located at the top of this page. You can type in the product name if you remember it, or if you're working with a large inventory and need different criteria, you can search using the SKU number or even the product category. WooCommerce also offers some useful filtering options. You can filter products by type, category, and status to narrow down your search even more effectively. Once you've found the product you're looking for, you'll see various options displayed under the product name. Click on Edit to dive deeper into the settings for that specific product. This is where you'll have a range of options to manage your product details. For instance, you can view or make changes to the product's price, stock levels, and images. It's a great place to ensure everything looks just the way you want it in your store. If the product you're editing is a variable product, meaning it has different variations like size or color, you can manage these variations here as well. Make sure each variation is accurate and well represented to give your customers clear choices when they shop. Additionally, while in the edit mode, you might want to update the product's SEO, descriptions, and shipping details, ensuring that everything aligns with your marketing strategy and operational requirements. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized, up-to-date product listing in WooCommerce, helping you manage your online store efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your e-commerce endeavors.